got into the movie, but the dam got to keep the palm trees. So one of the benefits of movie making. Yep. This bridge was completed in October of 2010. Yeah, this bridge took, it actually took an extra 2 years to build. The dam was completed 2.5 years ahead of schedule and under budget. But this bridge took an extra 2 years to build because we had a big windstorm that came in and knocked down one of the cranes that they were using. And it pushed the project back.